Hey folks, welcome back to the program. This is Chris in Uppington in the Northern Cape, and I'm kind of excited. Been waiting 3 years to do this interview. 3 years. I'm here with a very interesting lady, Oma Katerina Esau, who's the last known speaker of a language that I do a very poor job of explaining. If I pronounce it correctly, it might be new, but no. Close? Okay, close. So Oma Katerina Esau, her granddaughter Claudia is in the background. She's going to help because my Afrikaans, as you know, is not good enough to do this conversation. So I'll be speaking to Ms. Esau, and her granddaughter is going to translate and be my interpreter in Afrikaans. And we're going to ask her, speak a little bit of the language for us so that we have a recording of it so that people hear this and know about this. But first, Oma, I want to say bye-bye, donkey. Thank you for your time. It's a real pleasure to meet you. So I've waited a long time to meet you. You're a very interesting person. And I presume by now that you know that because a lot of people have been interviewing over the past few years.
I said that before I come to Oma to this. Oma sa Bible ang recommend ni Viet ang malwal kista ng Oma. Is Bible before I come to this.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if I understand the story correctly, what happened is that many years ago, I think in the 1990s, people thought that your language had died. No one spoke it anymore.
I say, but the taal as a nientings gekry, hulle dink die taal is dood.
But it wasn't.
Ja, maar die taal was mos nie dood nie.
Nee, hy was glad nie dood nie. Dat die was drank, die was te droog.
So if I understand correctly, when someone put a call out, I don't know if it was in the newspapers or if it was on radio, and they asked if anybody spoke this language. And if I read the news correctly a few years ago, at least 300 or so people came forward and said they spoke it.
Not 300.
No, not 300.
It was 30.
30?
Yeah, 30.
Just 30. Well, I had bad information then. Okay.
Yeah. And it was not in the newspapers. Also, it was linguists from Cape Town, Namibia, and so they came to the Kalahari to search for the people that speaks New. And they found the first Oma, it was Oma Elsie Falboy. She was the one that they found and asked her to, if she know other speakers and so. And they recorded Oma Elsie, and then they took the recording and go to the other new speakers. Maybe they heard about Oma Katerina, and then they played the recording to Oma Katerina. And then Oma said, yeah, but my cousin can also speak, my sister, and that's how they found them.
But just 30 people?
Yes, not 300.
Yeah. It was like a young man, a Engelse young man. But ook oorgekom het van buitenland af. Nigel Kroll. En hy het vir ons so opgevang. Hy het 'n oom gekry hier in die dorp. Toe sê hy vir die oom. Elsie se broer se swaarse seun. Vir hom gesê hy moet die nuussprekers soek. En nou toe is die anders al daar. Toe kry hulle vir my, toe kry hy Willem Falboy vir my. En toe vra hy vir my as ek hier is 'n wit man. Hy soek Bushmans kan taal praat. Dus ek nog skam om die taal te praat van die mense het mos nog gesê die taal is dood. So ons moet nie die taal praat nie. Nou toe wil ek nie praat nie. Toe sê ek nee man, ek praat die taal. Ek praat die Bushman taal. En die man lag van die man lag.
She just said what I just explained to you. But I just want to add that she was shy to speak the language because back in the days they were not able to speak it.
It was discouraged.
Yeah. And then that linguists come and ask about it.
So my question, Oma, is when the linguist came and asked about the language, were you excited or surprised?
I say, if I didn't know to come, was Oma geskok of gelukkig of hoe?
Ja, toe Nail na my toe kom Nail met my suster en my niggie. En hulle kom sê vir my, jong, jy weet mos waar bly ons oom?
Nee, vrouw was oma opgewonden, was oma bang om Nigel kom, was oma bang of opgewonden.
Nee. Ek was glad nie, ek was opgewonde, want my suster is by my, niggie is by, en ek vra vir hulle, wat soek julle? Nee, jy moet kom, jy moet saam met ons gaan. Maar hy sê ook, die blankietje, dus ook hier, hy kom vat ons na onze oom toe, Keimus toe.
I was excited because I saw my sister, my cousins, and now they asked me if I can go and show them where my uncle stays.
So, en ek sê, ja, nou, wag, okay, is alright. Maak vir my, en ons gaan Keimus toe.
Yeah.
And I
get myself ready,
yes, all that's dressed up and ready to say.
And then we go to my uncle in Keimus.
Oh, in Keimus, okay.
Daar het Nigel nou. Mas nou nog hy CD's gehad, hy kleintjies, speel hem, opname, en ons luister. Nou is het sop, as ons hoor nie, dat is onze taal, ons verstaan, van Elsie praat die taal pronk uit. Hy is vir Nigel gevra, wat soek julle by my? Soek julle taal, wil julle vir my doodmaak?
Yeah, and then Nigel came and we go to my uncle in Keimus. He played the recording and Oma Elsie speaks so nicely, loud and fluent. And she asked Nigel, oh, you want my language? What do you want? You want to kill me or what?
Nou luister ons. Nou sê ons mekaar. Toe. Oma Elsie kwa. Sê ons praat met mekaar.
Listen, what is Oma Elsie saying?
Nou daar het Nigel ook een video van ons gemaakt.
And then when we get there, we played Oma Elsie's recording, and after that he recorded us where we are listening to Oma Elsie. And
nou my oom is ook excited.
His uncle was also excited.
Yeah.
See, I understand. Yeah.
Nou sê my oom, hi, maar ek verstaan mos vandag. Dis mos onze taal hierdie. Ons sê, goede man, sê, ik kwaadje. Kijk bij toe, goede honetje. Hij zei, ja, naar toe.
And then my uncle speaks in you and he asked, did you hear everything? And said, yes, I hear everything.
And understood it all.
Yes.
Verstaan. Yeah. So, Oma, I apologize, but you should never ask a lady her age. But I'm going to do that now.
Hy sê dan waarskynlik die man sê vrou haar ouderdom vra nie. Jy wil net die oudtes maak.
So I understand that if I'm correct, you're 89. If that is correct, when did you first meet the linguist to talk about your language? How old were you?
Hy is syfer as ma 89. But the correct age is 92.
92.
Yeah.
92. No. No. Really? No, she carries it very well. You carry it very well. 92.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I'm so lucky to have been able to get her and meet her.
Dan ek was so in die 60 nog.
Ja. En we first
60, 70. 60, 70 ek is verkeerd.
My 60s.
Okay. And had you not spoken the language since you were a child, or did you speak it occasionally?
Ek praat van maak en ons maar nie taal gepraat nie. Want hy het daar maak en ons mam tog taal gepraat. Hoe goed reg jy mos waar jy praat jy mos nie.
Ja. Maar hy het al gepraat. Op 16, 17. So 17, 16. Ons het al gepraat. Maar in daai tyd, toe begin ons het nog tieners gewees, nog klein. Toe begin jou boer van ons te sê by die werk. So ons werk toe gaan. Wat se taal praat julle hier so? Julle moet nie hierdie taal praat, dit is lelike taal hierdie.
Oh, shame.
Dat sê my ma, vat, beer my ma al vir ons brood. Dat sê my ma vir ons brood. Sê my ma, gaan huis toe. Nou speel by die huis. Meneer, kom praat hier. Hoor jy so toe jy, die ou baas, sê jylle moet nie die taal praat nie. Gaan huis toe loop, selfs jylle in die huis. Soos hier loop ons. Nou ons is soos 6, 7, 8, ons is die ouderdom. Nou loop praat ons weer. Loop gesels ons weer ons taal. Maar toe is ons so groter geword, so al sê die mense van ons, jylle moet nie hierdie taal praat nie. Die brein mense ook, my cousin is naggie, ne? My cousin. Jong, wat se taal praat jylle? Hulle praat die taal nie nou. Hoe praat jylle hierdie lelike taal? Jylle moet niet so lelik praat nie. En so het hulle van ons afgebreek ook van die taal. En so het ons later nie meer die taal gepraat nie. Ons praat as by die huises, maar as ons loop, ons gaan nou tussen die mense, die praat net Afrikaans. Sê jy nog.
So when we started, I thought she was shy. She's not so shy. So I understood the beginning in Afrikaans. When they were small, little, 6, 7 years, they were speaking till I think 16, 17. But then I think she was talking about going and working, and then what is that language? What are you speaking?
Yeah.
And you should speak Afrikaans.
Yes.
Did I understand correctly?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. All right. But
No, you understand Afrikaans.
yeah. Maar ek praat nie Afrikaans nie.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so there was more, but I think my Afrikaans speaking audience will understand that. So
Yeah.
did I miss anything that was important in what she just said? Okay, all right, so we're good. Okay, so
Nou so is dit.
Oma, let me ask you another question. Okay, so ek vra, okay, not bad, huh? Sorry. So the book, the children's book, where did the idea come from? Was it your idea to write a book, or did someone ask you to write the book, or who was behind it?
Ik vra my die boek, het was steeds 'n skilper wat ma gemaak het. Het iemand van ma gevra om die boek te skryf of het ma gevoel maar om die boek te skryf?
Ek het ook gevoel om die boek te skryf, maar een vrou wat nou ook vir ons gewerk het, saam met die skool en so, sy het gesê, ons moet 'n boek maak vir die kinders. As ek eendag oud is, ek kan meer praat of so, of ek gaan dood, dan moet ons daar 'n boek hê. Die kinders kan dan miskien boeke hê, wat hulle die nuwe taal sien.
So can you translate that? I didn't catch all of it. Someone,
Yeah, someone asked me to do it.
that's what I thought, and write the book for the children. Yeah, so I got most of it. Okay, I want to make sure. So what's it like as you became older, suddenly becoming famous or sort of famous? People know who you are. I mean, I'm an American. I know who you are. That's famous.
Hy vra hoe voel dit om so oud te wees en so famous te wees. Hy sê hy is van Amerika, maar hy ken van my.
Daar de man in Amerika. Abigail, loop vir Abigail. Kim in die blou boek.
Maar oma sê so. Hier in die hoek. There's a guy, I'm not sure what his name
Ja,
is.
vertel
also
so
from
lang.
America. He learned from this book.
He learned from the book.
Yeah, and he greets Oma. Hi, Oma.
Now I'm embarrassed. I have to learn. I have to learn now too.
Wang die groot blou broek, gaan anak om. Wat maak jy so lang? Toe ek, die man het die boek gekry
He has that book.
in
That man.
Amerika.
Okay, and he learns from this book.
Yes.
Ja,
May I say it?
in Amerika. En hy ding is, hy praat altyd met Claudia.
He talks to you as well.
Nou sê hy vir Claudia, kan ek met jou ouma praat? Mama, ouma praat die Engels, sê hy nou praat met jou ouma die taal wat ek hier praat. Daai middag toe kom Claudia van die werk af. Claudia sê, ma, ouma hier is 'n man wat met jou praat uit Amerika. Hy het gesê, so tyd wil hy met ma praat. Sê ek, ja, nou dat hy praat. Dan hoor hoe praat hy. En daai toe bel hy toe bel Gloria, my ouma is nou hier, jy kan maar praat. En bel hy hy dan. En sê Gloria met die phone. Toe hy groet. Sê, oh, ouma, Ngoinkia.
That's nice. That's
Sê,
lovely.
Ngoinkia. Toe vra hy weer vir my, het jy kaba? Sê, na kaba. Het jy kaba? Sê, na kaba. Toe vra ek vir hom, wat is jou naam? Waar bly jy? En hoekom waar? Nee, ek het eers so gevra. Hy sê, na kan Amerika.
Okay.
Ek sê vir hom,
You want me to say that?
ek sê, no, ek kan nie die hou, kan nie.
Wow.
Hy sê vir my, by jou boek. Maar hy sê ook met taal. Ek kan nie sê, ek sê, ek kan nie sê, kwang.
I did a book.
Toe sê ek, oh,
Yeah,
Sin.
you learn from the book.
From this book.
Yeah.
Is this the book that she wrote? I thought it was a different one.
Now the other one, the
Children's book.
one is,
This is a language book to learn. Yes. So this isn't the one she wrote, but he learns from this book. Where can people find this book? Is it available in exclusive or somewhere like that,
you
or
can get it from us.
okay, all right, okay, all right. But where else can people get it? I'm here. They can't come
Yeah.
here. So
I'm not sure if it's online
all
or
right. Well, I'll research it. We'll find out and let people know if they want to get it. Okay, that's lovely. So, Oma, next question. Your granddaughter is trying to help keep the language alive. Yes.
Ja, je hoeft niet dat je bezig met taal nog levendig houden.
So,
ja,
yes.
ja.
Are you proud of her?
Yes
I
or
mean,
no?
are you happy about this?
Ik ben zo trots op mij, man.
Ek was trots op haar, baie trots.
Very okay.
Maar ek wil nie gehad dat hy met man vat en kinders kry.
Ah,
Well, what was
I
that?
didn't want to marry and get kids.
Oh, you don't have kids. You're not married.
I am.
Oh.
That's why she said she didn't want me to take a man or get kids.
Oh, she didn't want you to get married or take kids. I thought she wanted you to. See, that's why I
Just
didn't
say
Maar
interpret.
ek is trots op haar. Ek het 10 kinders. My kinders. Maar nie een praat nie.
Ah, shame. All those kids and her kids, none of them speak it.
Hulle se pa het ook gesê ek moenie sy kinders die lelike taal leer nie.
And so my children
Los
said
ek.
their mother teach them the language. Ugly.
Ah, no.
Toe los ek
No,
alles.
no.
That's
Toe
why I
los ek
was
maar
stressed.
alles. En toe is dit nog in daai tyd wat die mense nie wil die taal leer nie. Toe is die taal al dood daai tyd. Nou sy is my laaste dogter
My baby daughter's daughter.
se kind. En
Last chance.
sy kom praat die taal. Sy kom leer die taal aan my kinders nie. Nou ek sal nou vir meneer sê op nou ek wil nie laat jy sien of hy verstaan. Of hy regtig nie
I will say
verstaan.
something in you to
Yes.
just see if I want you to see that she is understanding what I'm saying.
Oh, so you're testing your granddaughter.
Ah!
Yes? Tell her that. You're testing.
So my vrouw so maat toets me.
Okay.
That's it,
But
yeah.
she mustn't go too deep.
No. Okay. Luister.
Ja, luister net.
Okay.
Luister net. Nagqoqa ukuthoa kucitwo. Nagqoqa ukucweke. Aku okuyeke chu ngu kuthoa ngu su. Mara ngqoqi kuthoaki.
But how fast. I think it's something to do with my husband don't want my children to speak the new. Or that's why they can't even hear it or speak it.
Okay, now
They say, maar te man het gesê, maar moenie met die kinders taal praat nie.
Ja,
En hulle het hom gehoor. Hulle kan hom nie gehoor het of hulle kan hom ook nie praat nie.
kan hy praat.
Ja. Ja?
okay, so not bad.
I think she
But
must stop now.
he doesn't want it to be too difficult for her.
Ja.
Ja, give me a stop.
En dan nou Nou, ang kuhikawa. Ku. Ito.
Well, doesn't come even that's why I don't want her to take a husband.
So she can focus on the language.
Yeah.
Hoe twagi ni Nwana.
Say 3 kinders.
You have 3 kids. Ah.
Nou. Twagi. Twee kaka.
Yeah, die kinders leer.
They are. They're learning. Okay, good.
Twagi kaka. Kwa kaka. Kwa kaka.
Die kinders leer en sy leer ook.
Ya go kyang.
Siya.
Na halan nga jike. Na halan nga ku. Maar ku akeng. Maar ang halan nga ku. Ako twagi.
Brek, kom.
Ek breek met daar.
Is that your child?
Likes. Dat is baby.
Okay. Hello.
Moontjie van die mense.
Zijn gewoon kyang.
Kyk hier. Moontjie. Saket papa.
Come on over here. Can you come over here? Come over here by Oma.
Saan langs oma. Saan langs oma.
Don't be shy.
Ngake. Quang đã khinh kinh quang kia. Quang kia.
Saket papa. Na papa. Saket tsike ka. Ka tsike purukuti. Sa dun nga school kuya. School dun jai. Da daga ka school. Da daga ka school. Ayo.
Well done. What's his name?
Sia.
Sia.
It means come.
Yes. Okay. Oh, really? Okay.
And my daughter's name is Nampusi.
Okay.
I saw you come.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
And my name is Nankusi.
And her name is Nampusi. And her Oma's name is Nampusi. And Oma's mother's name is Nampusi. And my only daughter's name is Nampusi.
And Nankusi, what does that mean?
You seen kom.
I saw you come.
I saw you come. Okay. Excellent. Well, will you be writing another book for the children?
Maar nog een kinderboekje geschreven voor de kinders.
Klaar.
Of course! Of course! We're gonna write a lot of books.
Ja,
The Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture said, Yo, Oma, now is your time to write books. Before you take your last breath, we want books.
ek wil meer. Ek wil meer so praat die manier. Ek wil meer so, toe ek vanmorgen hoor, hy het my gisteraand gesê, van julle. Sê ek wil nie meer mense hê nie. Ek is moeg. Klaar. Kom ons.
Yeah, she said she doesn't want to speak too much. She's getting tired.
Well, I want to thank her
of all
for.
the speakings. None of you,
Oh,
of all the people.
this
Yeah.
is the problem with fame.
Dit is die probleem as jy famous is.
Oh, maar as ek dink, ek het 2 susters.
Oh,
Nou,
sisters.
die een agter my. Nie agter my nie, is die kleintjie, maar is nou net is net ons 3 wat lewe. Nou die een, hier is hierdie een. Sy praat ook so. Maar sy wil nie so gesels, so praat nie.
I still have 2 sisters.
scum.
One of my sisters that they speak you like little bit,
Just a little bit.
but they don't want to speak like
Nou, die ene,
and what.
die een,
The last one, she can't.
Ah, shame. So,
maar as ek so dink, ek wil nie meer so met die mense praat en so nie, maar ek dink hy was lang weg, en daar is mense wat nie kan meer praat nie. Daar dink ek nie, solank ek hom kan praat.
so I'm an American, so we learn English. But my ancestors, of course, come from Europe, and some were German. So I had to learn German all on my own after growing up not knowing it. And that loss of your culture from the language is difficult.
Hy sê hy is van Amerika, maar sy ouers is van Duitsland en Europa, maar as die cultuur verloor, dan
As die cultuur.
ja.
Cultuur. Maar solank ek nog oeie,
As long as I love,
dan is dit kwaadjie.
ek sal praat.
Kwaadjie.
Brilliant. Excellent.
Kaka toe die pon. Kaka ko.
Gaan die kleintjie weer dat hulle groot is.
En ek wil en nou kaka. Hoe dis dat Levi en hy kinders 15, 16, 18. Goeie.
Wow, that's a lot.
That's
a lot. So, Oma, again, I want to thank you. This has been a special privilege for me to get a chance to talk to you.
Maar ek wil vir ouma dankie sê vir die geleentheid wat ek gekry het om saam met ouma te praat.
Are you
Jy was
surprised?
gelukkig.
Oh, sorry.
Nog vir my so kom kry. Ja.
Ja.
En ek is bly daarvoor. Dink mangwe na konya.
I'm also happy what you.
It's very kind of you. One last question. Are you surprised that someone from so far would be interested?
As maar geskok dat iemand dan so ver afkom om so geïnteresseerd is in ma se taal.
Nee, na konya. Na konya is dit kenge. Hey, moet jy hou sang.
Ja, ek is bly, I hoor my. You know, I'm happy that people come from so far to see me. But yeah, I'm used to it.
It's used to it. That what? Because you're a celebrity.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a celebrity. Bye, donkey.
Is 'n plesier. Is 'n plesier vir my. Is 'n reg plesier vir my. Mense so ver vir my kom. Kyk, as jy hoor. Mense word jaloers. As hulle wat 'n ou vrou is hierdie? Ou Bushman vrou. Die mense kom van ver en vir hom kom sien.
Yeah, some people are getting jealous just for the fact that you came from far just to see me.
Ek sê net,
They should be jealous.
Is trots oor my taal.
Pride.
Yeah.
My taal.
You should be proud of your
Trots.
taal. Trots en jy proud. Taal.
Dankie, die taal is trots.
Okay.
Ayo.
Okay.
So ek sê ook dankie dat die Here vir julle so veilig gebring het tot hier toe. En vir my te sien. Ek het vir julle gesien.